No update. If you do have any questions, feel free to come up and ask me. I'll be more than happy to answer. Once we do get an answer, Southwest is working their hardest to get you guys out here to Orlando. It will happen. We're just working on resolving our current situation. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. I'll be your ops agent, Matt. Working this flight for you going out to Orlando. All right. Thanks for choosing Southwest, guys.
That was convincing. It's time to ride. Let's do it. Oh yeah, that raw V6 power! What the heck is the lake? All right, now I'm buckled in. Let's get the show on the road, guys. What's going on? Derek with the Hydro Economist, where we like to grow our prosperity, wealth, and freedom. And I got in a couple of nights ago. First night, we just took it nice and chill. Second day, we ended up doing a bunch of nature preserve trails and all kinds of fun stuff like that. Figured, you know, start off nice and easy, not going all crazy in the parks.
Oh yeah, you'll see all kinds of birds here and shit. And there's a bench.
Ooh,
And
bench, my favorite spot. Actually, oh no, those are logs. They are not alligators. I was like, ooh.
Wait, what's that? Oh no, it's just another log.
Little baby raking. It's a little baby raking on the trail. Okay, see you later. We got a baby alligator, guys. Oh, maybe it's not a baby, but he's tiny, just hanging out.
Waiting for chicken nuggies.
Shake it. Shake it what your mama gave you. Oh, he's doing it. Oh my God, he's coming right for us. Guys, we found the party at the nature preserve.
And then we translate it and it's actually like bird impeachment hearings.
It is Monday, January 20th? Yeah, 20th. And today is Universal Day. Hagrid's creature ride. We got that to look forward to, and I have not ridden E.T. the extraterrestrial like the last few times I've been here, so like honestly that's like super high on my list right now. So definitely gotta make sure we do that. And you'll notice I'm in Florida and I'm wearing a hoodie and a beanie. That is because it is 55 degrees today. Like legit, here. So anyways, next scene, you're gonna see me in the park. I feel like I've heard this song in like Fast and Furious. It's like at the end when they're successful with the mission. Yeah. Oh man, let's make a ride about this. It's all about family. Oh yeah, we're gonna start that today too. Cause we're family. Parking, cause we're family.
Paying extra fees, cause we're family.
Holy cow, I was not expecting it to feel as chilly as it is today, but it's a good thing I got the hoodie and the beanie. Here we are at Universal. We're gonna start over here at Islands of Adventure. Eventually we're gonna work our way over to the studio side. We're not even gonna chance it, so we're going straight to Hagrid's. Let's do it. This guy looks like he's throwing up. Check out how close we are to this Jurassic Park construction. I was really just looking for a cigarette. smoking station. You know, all the years I've been going here, I've never been on this side to notice this. Like, that's insane. Dude. So another one of my mini adventures is to see if we can find some coins. Oh wow, they actually do have pure silver, but look at that premium. How many ounces is that? That's the question. Oh yeah, they press them all here. There's all the dies. Oh yeah, and the chains, you can at least they'll be sterling silver. But man, how about them premiums, guys? Question, gentlemen.
Answer. Let's hope they match.
So you say you offer 999 fine silver, right?
Yes.
So how many ounces would that be?
It's a half an ounce of 0.999 bullion grades.
Wow! Talk about a premium. Wow, well... only the finest, yes.
It is also German for no, no, no in purity. 999.
Yeah, there you go. All right, thanks, gentlemen. Appreciate it. Whoa! Wow, wow, wow! Cool news. The mini adventure actually seemed to work out. We did find like actual like silver. Did you hear that premium? $84 for a half ounce. That's insane. Okay, guys, it's happening. We're getting into Hogsmeade, and we're about to get on the Hagrid's ride. It's gonna be like an hour away, but I'm gonna have to drop the camera off. Reaction soon to follow. So we just finished Hagrid's, and that was really awesome. That was a fantastic start to my day. There were elements in there. I mean, I did everything I could to like hide, you know, spoilers for myself. So it's been a while, and yeah, totally worth the wait. I mean, we totally waited in line for like, what, hour and a half? Jurassic Park area, and it's all under construction, so not nothing too exciting here. The river adventure here is shut down for refurb, so there's just like nothing to do. Maybe Kong. I don't know. We'll see how this goes. We might be done with islands pretty quick here.
Yeah.
Such garden, it's a miracle. It's time for Patty Man. Nice. I'm gonna get me a picture like this of myself hanging up in the basement, you know, so my new plants have somebody to look at and talk to. Two. Thank you.
Of course not. They don't have a chance. Yeah.
Cling. Oh man, it's so cool! So I'm not sure how many more angles I could possibly get of Hulk, but we did manage to get a couple more today. Now we're on our way to the Universal side, gonna test our luck there. By the way, the cool weather is fantastic. This is great. Like, I am so down with hoodie weather in Florida. I'm not even mad. Not even the least. We're on the Universal side, and we're gonna hit up Transmorphers. It's only got about a 20-minute wait, so I figured that'll be a good place to start. Last time I was going down this road, it was Halloween Horror Nights. Bro, would you believe I'm at a theme park right now? Look how, like, there's like nobody in the middle of this road. This is my road now. Oh my God, SpongeBob! SpongeBob! Dora! Dora the Explorer! Okay, seriously though, I didn't stand for the parade because I wanted to see the parade. We got stuck. We got stuck. We had no choice. It was horrible. I don't recommend it for anybody. Transmorphers. Robots in disguise. Bumblebee. Wait. The almighty all spark edible.
What is it on the table?
General, the ambush was just a diversion.
So think it over while I finish prep.
Clank
I'm
him.
counting on you.
Clank him.
I guess so is her.
Clank him.
Be back out. Thanks for meeting the challenge. Let's head on back to base.
Next up, the Mummy. Of course, not before getting me some coffee, some go-go juice, so to speak. And this is actually where that blue screen adventure that I posted probably a couple of years ago now. I'll put the link in the description below, but yeah, that's where that took place. I think you could say I like Coca-Cola. At the old King Cross.
Do you know why they call it King's Cross?
Because King's Cross swords?
I don't know.
Hey, hey! Game plan, gonna go across the way, E.T., then probably Men in Black, then we're gonna hit up Hogwarts and probably end the night with either Forbidden Journey or Hagrid's mythical creature. Is that what it's called? Hagrid's mythical creatures? Magical. Oh Jesus, that's another mouthful. That's ridiculous. Anyway, let's continue on with the night. I'm gonna try to record E.T. I guess it's looked down upon. That's why there's not much footage from today, but you know what? Heck it, we're doing it. Just scoping it out back here. Gonna scope out the back alleys here. Swiggity swookity, it's time to get spookity. Make a little magic. Oh, Sam, it's time to ride the Hogwarts Express. Going to Hogwarts School of Magic and Wizardry.
This snack was the food tray. Molly, can't you conjure up some pumpkin pasties?
Wrong. Food is the first of the 5 principal exceptions to Gamp's law of elemental transfiguration.
Do you know what she's talking about?
Miserable creatures. Something from the trolley, dear. I'd say you'd earned it.
Any shot the frogs?
Oh dear. Best get back to your seats now. I'll try and round up these little...
Oh, I'm in Hogwarts. I'm a wizard now. Oh my God, everybody scatter! Run! Bye, Hagrid. I love you. Okay, so like the 11th change in plans today. We had to sacrifice ET because like literally before we were about to get in line, like, we get cop blocked. So I'm not gonna get my ET smells. I am actually a little disappointed about that. So we ended up doing Men in Black, ended up hitting the Hogsmeade. We're gonna hit up Forbidden Journey, and then we're gonna try and get back into Hagrid for a second go. And I think that's gonna be a good way to cap out the night. From this point, I'm gonna put the bag away. Ooh, look at that. It is pretty at night. Oh, yeah. To the lockers.
This thing's in my way. I'm not going.
Well, all right, guys. Luckily, the last part of the plan actually worked this time. Got to go to Forbidden. Got to do Hagrid's twice, this time at night. Ooh. We are going to call it a night here at Universal, closing it down. 30 minutes past park closing. We're still leaving. I think we're gonna try and go to Disney Springs, get us some deluxe burger if possible. Hopefully that plan works. Who knows, it might change. We'll see. But if that doesn't happen and then this really is the end of the video, remember